Grand risings, family, grand risings. Yes, the skies have broken and we have rain, as you can see. Yes, I thought as it's really raining, I thought I'd come and capture it for you to show you, you know, show you what the estate looks like in the rain. I'm so happy for my garden, getting all this lovely water. The workers were out here working, but now, yeah, obviously they've had to take shelter. Yeah, there's some over there in some kind of rain mats. But oh, it's just so great. It's so great. I'm hoping that it's going to be a short, sharp burst, so that I can get to go out and do what I want to do today. Oh yeah, man, it's fabulous, fabulous, fabulous. Look at it. Wow. Have a beautiful day. Have a beautiful day.